Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Telecoin using your Coinbase wallet through Uniswap. So our first step is opening up our browser. Once the browser has opened up, you scroll down to the D app section where you select Uniswap. Once Uniswap opens up, there's not much work you'd need to do except by clicking on connect and making sure you're on the Ethereum network. Seeing as there's no other network Coinbase works with apart from Ethereum. For this video, you click on connect, select your Coinbase wallet, and boom, you're connected. As you can see here, your Ethereum address is listed here. The amount of dollars you have on it is also listed. So what you do is simply select the Ethereum or the token you'd like to convert your Ethereum to. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be searching for Telecoin or Telcoin. Click on Telcoin and we'll be entering 0.004 Ethereum, $7.22 of Ethereum for approximately 3,204 Telcoins. The gas fee is $4, so you'd actually be using $3, I guess. So due to insufficient Ethereum balance, I can't show you how to proceed with this transaction, but it's quite simple. You simply click on swap and you accept the contract notification that pops up. You click on accept, you accept it, and your Telcoin will be deposited directly into the asset section of your Coinbase wallets, and you'd be able to receive notifications concerning that from the notification panel at the top right. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Telcoin using Uniswap on your Coinbase wallet, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.